lesser. We can see the file name line by line or page by page. So what is that syntax? Syntax is syntax is lesser
Option file name.
file. There is no options. Lesser var log messages. So var log messages. Okay. So if you want to see the if you want to see the file line by line, you can you can you can enter the can enter the you can click the enter button. You can click the enter button. So if you want to see the file page by page, you can click the space bar. You can click the space bar on the keyboard. Right? Understood, guys. The same the same for more also. What is that? The same for more also. More file, more varlock messages. So it will display the percentage. It will display the percentage. Okay. Grep code. So what is the grep, guys? Grep is nothing but to search the keyword. Grep. uh, Grep type only. Grep type only. String keyword. What is that? String var file. Grep icon only. String error. File name is var www.html. Okay. So here, what is icon name? Icon only is a case. Is that case sensitive? So case sensitive means it will it will display the small error in between small and capital or error only capital. So if you are not using right, it will it will search only the hyphen error. So I is nothing but a case sensitive. It will display both the small capital or a mixed of both the small. Okay. So this is nothing but a less more grep. I will show you that combinations. Okay. Control C is nothing but a quit. Next, guys. So next is a lesser var log messages. So you see, so the first page is showing. So if you press the enter in the keyboard, it will display line by line. You see, line by line, 854, 16, 8850, so 416. If you press the space bar, you see it will automatically change. It will automatically. So this will be show the page by page. Enter will show the line by line. Space bar will show the page by page. Enter will show the line by line. So so if you press the Q, it will quit the file. So what is that mode? What is that? Mode. So more you see right percentage. So it did for the first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. I'm executing. I'm clicking the end space bar, guys. You see here the percentage. More will show you the percentage. If you see, I'm entering the enter button. it will display only the line by line. Space bar, it will display the only page by page. Guys, Q is nothing but a filter. Have you understood? Let's move it. Grep hyphen I error var log messages. You see, it will display the mixed small in between, yeah, mixed with small and capital, only small it will display. Or else, if you see to display, if you are not using the hyphen I grep error, you see, it will search only the small type of error, small letter errors. So there is no small letter else. Is understood? If you use the hyphen I, it will display the small and capital also. It will display the small and capital. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Very good.
So if we give capital E, then it will come only error with capital, right?
No, no,
Grep error.
capital I, small I.
No, no, no. Grep
Mhm.
hyphen capital E error. If we give,
Capital
huh.
E,
I,
error.
I will remove it. Huh.
No,
Then it
no.
will
It will
come with
display
error only.
only, yeah, this keyword.
Capital letter.
Whatever
Yeah.
the keyword searches, if it is available, it will display. If you
Got
want
it.
to show now, yeah, I'm not giving this hyphenate. I'm using a capital E. Yeah, we have a two lines matched for small capital E and a small error. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep, that's good. The next command is what is the command, guys? Find command. So what is that? So find command is used to search for the files and directories in a directory hierarchy. Directory hierarchy. Okay. So what is that? Only grep is it will search the string on the given file. So grep is only used for the file only. But find we can use it for we can search for files and directories. Yes, understood. It is used to search for files and directories. Files and directories in a directory hierarchy. In a directory hierarchy. Based on various criteria such as name, size. We can find the size also and modifications. Modification time also we can find it and more guys. Understood? So find what is the syntax, guys? The syntax is find path options expression. Okay, find the path options and expressions. I will show you guys. I will show you something like I will find the path. For example, find the path where. So path is where. For example, okay, or path is etc. So I want to search the file. I want to search the file. For example, file name is mess. So file name is messages. So what is the file name, guys? So messages. It will search the messages file. So find files by name. What is this command, guys? This command is find files by name. Yeah, it will find the files. So what is the next, guys? So next is find all, for example, logs, dot log, dot log files. Or you can find out, guys, you can find out by using find var log. In the var log, hyphen type. What is that? Hyphen type, hyphen f. So hyphen type, hyphen f is a file name, hyphen name. What is the name, guys? Star dot star dot log. Whatever the extension dot log, right? Those files will be displaying. You guys understood? So next, find directories. Find directories named backup, for example. Find the directories named equal to backup. Find slash hyphen type. What is the type, guys? Type is a file or type is a directory. Hyphen f type equal to f is nothing but a file. Type equal to type d equal to name directory. Hyphen name equal to backup. It will search the it will find the backup file. Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not?
Sir, little bit find command, little bit confusing.
Sorry.
Find commands are little bit confusing. Like
Yeah.
once you
So find
type
is nothing. Search is nothing but it will search the keyword in the document only. But so in the find command, we can search the files and directories. If you want to search the file, so if you want to find the file, right? So this is the file. So find where in the where. So hyphen name equal to messages. Whatever the message files are there, right? In the where folder, it will display it. Or I want to display the all dot log files. So we can use a find where log hyphen type equal to file f name equal to dot log. It will display this way also. Or find directories and named backup. So we need to find the directories name as a backup folder. So find the slash, it will search it. This one is the searching. So here they are searching hyphen type equal to D is nothing but a directory. What is the directory name? Backup. So this backup directory is checking on the slash file slash. So wherever it is backup is there, it will display it. It will display. Guys, understood?
okay, sir.
Yeah. So I want to whatever the files we have. So we have find, right? Those files need to copy it and another file, right? How you can do it? So the same command. So backup, whatever the list I need to copy it to cat backup dot txt. Okay, it will create a file called as a backup. It will create a file called as a backup, and wherever the backup file is found, that information will be written in the backup.txt. For example, yeah. So whatever the error we found it, right? We need to write it on the file. How you can do it? So grep hyphen error, grep hyphen error. So we need to write it in the some other some other file, right? So what is this file? We can use the double greater than double greater than and cat cat error dot cat error dot txt. Whatever the errors you see, cat error dot no such error.
Sir, cat
Oh, yes.
will read here, na? It will not
Yes,
create the
yes.
file.
Read
I'm telling you,
grep.
cat command it will read the error.txt file. If file is
Mm,
not there, it will not create, na?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is sorry. Cat is a read file, right? So I want to write it a file, call it as a error.txt. Okay, double greater than error.txt. It will write it in that error.txt. Sorry, cat error.txt. So wherever the error is, right, write it in this file. Guys, understood?